Sweeping strings, the journey begins. Piano notes and cello hum, where dreams ignite.
Hello Luxury Mansion family. Today we are with you at the foot of the Alps, in the heart of Switzerland, alone with nature, in the center of splendor. Here is an extraordinary French chateau valued at $128 million. High ceilings, exterior with artistic details, elegant balconies and windows that shine in the evening light. This castle is not just a living space, it's a lifestyle in itself. Now, let's take you through the fascinating doors of this unique building and see what it hides inside.
Softly touch through every tear, guardian lights in the sphere. Brighter shines what we revere. Hear the symphony of dreams, flowing tides on silver streams. In the chorus of the beats, every moment so it seems.
The two large lobbies that greet you as soon as you step into the chateau are not just an entrance area. They are the epitome of splendor, symmetry, elegance, and French architecture. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring in the tranquility of the Alps and the natural light of the forest. The sculptures and chandeliers rising above the marble floors make you feel like you are in a palace. There are 6 living rooms in the chateau, each furnished in a different style. Some with modern French touches, some with classic Baroque details. Large fireplaces, velvet sofa sets, handcrafted ornaments, and wall panels. These halls are designed not only for hosting guests, but also for those who want to experience art and comfort together. One of the lounges, with its large windows opening out onto the lake, offers a tranquil atmosphere at all hours of the day, with its large sofa sets, finely selected art objects, and cozy reading nooks by the fireplace. Another living room is more for private meetings, relaxation, or an evening of classical music. Each of the materials used in the chateau is specially selected: silk fabrics, walnut wood furniture, and a different, personalized atmosphere in each hall. Each lounge has a different soul, ideal for sitting against the lake view at sunset or spending time with a book by the fireplace in winter. Now imagine yourself in the center of this hall with your family.
Gold chandeliers and sky so blue, open the door to marble floors, living life like royalty, of course. Crystal glasses clink in the night, views from the top, what a sight. Step inside and lose track of time, elegance wrapped in every ride.
The elegance and splendor that can be felt in every corner of the chateau is of course also reflected in the bedrooms. With a total of 7 bedrooms, this extraordinary structure is not just a place to stay. It is the definition of comfort, privacy, and personal luxury. The master suite is located in the heart of the chateau, overlooking the lake. Daylight streams in through the large windows, giving a soft glow to the silk wall coverings decorated in light tones. The large terrace is perfect for watching the unique nature of the Alps with a morning coffee. The other 6 bedrooms, each with a different concept, allow guests or family members to experience their own private space. While rustic French style is at the forefront in some rooms, others are designed with more contemporary lines.
Hear the sound. This is where we all belong. In a place that feels so strong. Luxury mansion, come along. Live the life where nothing's wrong.
The 6 bathrooms in the chateau are each designed with elegance and comfort in mind. The master bathroom features a classic freestanding bathtub overlooking the lake, while all bathrooms feature high-end materials, marble details, and modern shower systems. Every detail, from the gold-plated fittings to the soft lighting, makes these spaces much more than just an ordinary bathroom. Each bathroom is like a special living space that complements the overall luxurious atmosphere of the chateau. The warm ambience inside and the serenity of nature outside combine to rebuild your soul while relaxing your body. In this castle, you experience luxury in every detail, even in your bathroom. The dining experience in this dazzling French chateau is as impressive as the scenery. Four separate dining rooms have been carefully designed for both casual family dinners and grand receptions. The high ceilings, crystal chandeliers, and elegant table settings in each hall are like inviting you to a palace dinner. On the kitchen side, there are 4 fully equipped kitchens in total. The main kitchen, equipped with professional equipment for chefs, is ideal for creating gourmet flavors. The other kitchens are specially placed on the floors and designed as practical and stylish areas. Each dining room and kitchen transforms into living spaces where comfort and elegance come together. In this castle, not only the view, but also every meal is experienced like a ceremony.
The night we stayed, distant echoes calling near, softly touch through every tear, guardian lights in the sphere.
The luxurious living spaces of the castle are not limited to the interiors. There are 3 private pools located outdoors and in different sections, each designed to be intertwined with nature. The infinity pool overlooking the lake is a unique spot to watch the sunset. The other pools are both relaxation and entertainment orientated. One of them is located indoors and offers 4-season use. For those who want to work, there are peaceful private study rooms in the chateau. Equipped with wooden details, large bookcases, and windows overlooking nature, these rooms provide an inspiring environment. And of course, the 2 winter gardens, surrounded by glass, allow you to have a pleasant time even on snowy winter days without losing touch with nature. These gardens with large seating groups and flowers are one of the most peaceful corners of the chateau. Today, we have discovered this magnificent French chateau located by the lake in the enchanting nature of Switzerland. At the foothills of the Alps, in the heart of the forests, the architecture, interior design, and quality of life are reminiscent of a modern-day fairy tale. From the 7 bedrooms to the 3 private pools, from the sumptuous lounges to the peaceful glass-enclosed winter gardens, every corner is exquisitely crafted. This chateau is not just a structure of stone and walls. It is an inspiring living space that integrates with nature. If you also enjoy discovering such unique architectures and unique living spaces, don't forget to subscribe to our Luxury Mansion channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, there are many more architectural masterpieces to discover in the world. In the next video, perhaps we will meet again in a house beyond dreams. Goodbye for now and stay tuned to the magic of luxury.
Chandeliers and sky so blue, open the door to marble floors, living life like royalty, of course. Crystal glasses clink in the night,